All right, so we got ourselves a GitHub, an account. We got ourselves, we can make hundreds and thousands of repositories. We got one teaching Arco Xfce. We should also add this one as a link. So if you find the files, and you want to read it again, this is also a great source to read more information. And in the video we put on the private files, which is very bad indeed. And we've used git reset hard. So git reset hard is something you can do. That's up here. It's also explained in here to the certain commit. But you shouldn't run this one. You should run git push origin main. And there is another option. If this fails, there is something called force. But only use it if you need force. Okay. All right, that's settled. So watch the video. It's important that we have the link up here. And now we go and make things nice. Let's have a look here. This is our wallpaper. Blank is here. That's nice as well. I want to have the exact same look. Sure. Then you have two things. You have the teaching Arco Xfce. I'm gonna hide git with view and then show hidden files, Ctrl H. That's gone. And what I'll suggest is either from minimal to more or from more to minimal. I'm gonna choose for the latter. I'm gonna copy .config over, which is a bunch of things. Too much, 865, right? Too much indeed. Now you think nothing is in here. Sure it is. There is the .config. So this is what they call the dot files. What do we need? Maybe you like the alacrity setting, right? But maybe another good idea is, what's the name again? Disk something? No. Disk usage analyzer. Let's put this guy in here. Can we do that? Yes, we can. So the first one that needs to go is Discord. I don't need Discord on my GitHub to have a beautiful Xfce. Where are you, Discord? Here. That's gone. That was big. 35%. Chromium. Bye. Variety. I like variety, but bye. Rofi. Rofi is nice, right? Conky? Nah, not into conkies. Okay, conkies are out. It doesn't matter, right? It's your setup, and some of the things just come automatically, so you don't need to keep things that ArcoLinux provides. So we have here Arco, all things that we don't need. Auto start, maybe you want to have auto start stuff in here. This is for Corsair keyboards. Deconf, no. This is ChatWM, fish. ArcoLinux gives us that. Font config, no. The settings, right? The colors. What colors do I want? Surf and Arc. And Arc Dark, bepaalt modern ice, things like that. But we are in Xfce. The settings for Xfce are not here. This is not Arc Dark. It's not Arc Dark. And it's not Surf and Arc. It's Quogear. It's interesting to keep it, but it's not for our Xfce. That's all I'm saying. So I can keep it. HTOP automatically in sync. Quantum is design wise. So maybe you've changed something. Think about that. Did you change something? Do a melt between two folders. Clean installation from ArcoLinux. Then copy paste config. Change your look. Do comparison between the config, the .config, the actual one, and the backup. Do a melt, and you know what you've changed. With Quantum, nope, no problem. Menus, no. New Fetch, no. Max, no. OBS Studio, no. Parun, no. Plank, that's something extra I've installed. Maybe you like Plank as well. Okay, Plank is in. Power menu, default, pulse, sound. Qt5CT, maybe you've changed something there. Also design-wise. Rofi, it's not needed, it's for chat WM. Sublime text, whatever. Thunar, watch out. This is the right mouse click. This is the right mouse click. This is this. We have it. And I hate it when I come to Thunar and it doesn't have it. This is something you may edit or change or add or remove. It's interesting to keep it or not. Otherwise you just say ArcoLinux thing is good, then you don't keep it. VirtualBox, VLC, this one is an interesting one. Yay is out, Corsair, High Fetch, My Maps List, Power Control, Screen Key, Throttle Take, they're all coming from ArcoLinux. And this is the new check. We have only 299 kilobytes, that's all it needs. And even Alacrity, if you did not change anything to Alacrity and the default ArcoLinux is good enough, then this could be good. This could be your look. Xfce has all the settings. Not here, I guess. In here, and here are some of the settings. Like this is dawn dark, so the coloring system is dawn dark, and surf and go gear are the icons, and that's what you choose. That's one in here. Our dawn dark and surf and go gear. And those are the settings that define Xfce if you're on something else, VSPWM, etc. 30 desktops. You need to figure it out, right? It's always in the same. Well, follow the videos on ArcoLinux D, then you know where the folder is. It's in .config also, .config VSPWM, and so it goes on. Voila, we can put this online. We have the ArcoLinux Nemesis, nope, we have this one. This is ours. And we put it online. And then you need to name it. I don't know. Prime look. Just Prime. This is our look and we call it Prime. Voila. Arco Xfce Prime. I'm gonna change some things. This is the Prime look. Okay, fine. But I can't do that here, Eric, can I? Whoa, can I? Wow, I learned something. No, you can't. Prime. That means I need to go in here as well, in the Git. Call it Prime. Because I want to make another one, Grand, and another one, Universe, and another one, right? All kinds of looks of Xfce. I want to do that. That's my pleasure in life. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the internet, which I seem to have closed. GitHub. We go, yeah, we're online, that's good. Your repositories. This one is not correct. Settings. This one is gonna be Prime. Rename. And now we test everything. Did I forget any clue, anything? Right? And if it goes online, we're good. Changed name to Prime. Prima is also a good one. Everything is online. Let's have a look. Here's the .config. How to start GTK3. Plank is here. You've installed the application Plank, of course. That goes without saying. And otherwise, it will not do anything. Now, this particular code is ideal to be placed in the folder personal. So if you start building, if you want to go one step further in the learning phases, you can actually use a folder called personal and put the .config files that we now have in there. Every system that we release has a personal folder. Maybe you've never noticed. I put it all kind of configs in here, and all I have to do is type something. Personal. Which one? That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. So you can create your own look, build it on the ISO, put it on the ISO. It's an Xfce look. And I just need to type personal 1, personal 2, personal 3, and have quickly a change of heart. Art Darkest should be installed with ArcoLinux Candy Beauty, which doesn't exist anymore. It's now a Candy Beauty, right? These are old files. And voila, and everything goes over. Copy paste. The personal thing is just copy paste. Everything that's in personal, put it in home. That's the default one. And I've made my own personal ones, and that's this one. Everything in personal 1 goes over. Okay, that's for later maybe, but it's interesting because it's just follows out of the idea. The video that we've made now, the topic that we've made now, is basically putting your configuration, your dot files online. How to do that. And I hope this is helpful to put everything online, and the video, this article, will be rewritten and we'll add the videos in here. All right, cheers.